Hi, I'm Joe from HomeTowne Auto Repair. I'm here to show you how to check your oil. The first thing that I wanted to talk to you about is safety. The car has to be off and you should be on a level surface. That's going to allow you to check the oil, get the accurate level. If it's on an incline or a decline, it will give you an inaccurate reading. And we just want to make sure that the vehicle is off and you're not around anything hot. The dipstick on this particular vehicle is right up front, so it's really easy. You don't have any hot components around it. If you do, I recommend that you let the car cool off a couple of hours or even overnight to be safe. We're going to clean the dipstick twice to get an accurate reading. Occasionally, you will check the oil the first time and it will turn out high or low. And you want to make sure with engine oil you're 100% accurate. We're going to pull the dipstick and we're going to actually forget about this first reading altogether. And we're going to clean that nice and dry. Go back in the dipstick tube and make sure when you're going down in, it's nice and easy and smooth. If you hit a snag, you don't want to put unnecessary force because then that will break and it will have to be removed. So we're going to check it for the first time right here. And you can see that this particular vehicle is running right at its operating level. I don't know if you can see, but there is going to be hash marks right here and right here. Every manufacturer is different. You might have 2 dots. You might actually have a minimum and maximum line. You just have to pay attention and it'll tell you where to be. But we're still not going to trust that reading. We're going to clean that off again and make sure that the second check is identical. Okay, and we do have 2 consistent readings. Right here it shows just on the high side of the operating range. Since we got 2 consistent readings, there's no reason to check it again. If I do get an inconsistent reading, you really want to check it a third or a fourth time. Some of these vehicles have baffles and things where engine oil can slowly leach down and you can get multiple different types of readings. So if you do have any questions or you want to schedule an appointment, feel free to call us at 703-594-4646. And my service advisor would love to set that appointment for you or answer any questions you may have.